In this video, I'm going to teach you how to insert table in Mailchimp. So in order to insert a table on your Mailchimp, what we can do is we can head over and then go first to their website, which is mailchimp.com. Now into this site, you have two options. You can either sign up or log in. If you already have an account, head over and click onto this login. But if you do not have one yet, you can head over and click onto this sign up button and sign up using Google and your email. I already have my account, so let me head over and click onto this login option. This is what the homepage looks like. Into this part, what we can do is we can head over and then click onto this campaigns option. Now, I have in here this email. Let me head over and click on edit. I can add a table using this part. Now, click onto this edit design option. Now, once you're in here, it should be able to reflect this. So what we can do is we can click onto this add option and then locate the table option that we can see. Click onto the show more in order to see more. We have in here products as well as brands, text, and the likes. As you can see, we only have this dividers, spacers, and likes. We have surveys, creative assistants, and applications. So the best thing to actually add a table is to use the coding option and then use a third-party integrator or third-party app in order to add that particular table. For example, let's add this HTML right here. And for this part, you can go to a new tab and then go to commonninja.com. So head over to Common Ninja. Into this part, click on the this create widget and then search in here for table option. You can see comparison tables, pricing tables, as well as some more tables that you want. I'll choose in here this pricing table. And then you can see in here the design for that. You can just change up the designs, the text, as well as the content. Once you're done, head over and click onto this publish option. Click onto this save widget and then copy the code. Head back to your Mailchimp. Then input right here the code that you want. Then click on enter in order to edit it all together. Now this code should be able to apply right here and it should be able to appear once you send the email. So that's how you add a table on Mailchimp. I hope this video helped you out.